Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Original iTech. Lost access to your Gmail account. In this video, I'll show how to recover your Gmail account without password, without phone number. Whether you forget your password, lose access to your phone number, or can't sign into your Google account or Gmail account. So in this step, you can easily recover your Gmail account or recover your Google account without password, without phone number. So let's see how to do that. So don't skip this video, watch full video, and please like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel Original iTech. So first of all, open your Google Play Store. So in this here, write and search UC browser. After that, you can install UC browser app. After that, open it. After, you can see search or enter URL. So in this here, you can type or write Google account help. After that, choose and open Google account help. Open it. You scroll down. You can see popular articles, manage your Google account, manage your family on Google, account recovery, use your Google account with linked apps, account security. So instead, you can choose and open account security. Click here. After that, choose and open two-step verification. You can see turn on two-step verification, turn off two-step verification, signing in with two-step verification, use a security key for two-step verification, get verification codes with Google Authenticator. After, you can see add or remove trusted computers. After that, fix common issues with two-step verification. So instead, we can choose and open fix common issues with two-step verification. Click on it. Scroll down. After that, choose recover your account. Click here. You can see if you can't sign in, follow the steps to recover your account. If you are having trouble, try the tips to complete account recovery steps. So instead, you can choose and open recover your account. Click here. Scroll down. After that, choose and open follow the steps to recover your account. Account recovery, recover your Google account. So in this step, you can type or write your recover Gmail account. After written your Gmail account, after that, choose next. Click on it. So in this way, I can forget or lose my Gmail or Google account password. So instead, I can choose try another way. Click here. So also I lost my phone number. So instead, I can choose I don't have my phone. Click here. In this time, I can choose try another way. After that, choose I don't have my phone. You can see couldn't sign in. That's mean I can't log in or sign in my Google account or Gmail account. But in this time, I can easily recover my Gmail account or recover Google or email account without password, without phone number. So let's see. After, you can see more tips to recover your account. So instead, you can choose this option more tips to recover your account. Click here. After that, choose account recovery page. Open it. In this here, you can type or write your Gmail account. After that, I can choose next. After that, choose try another way. Click on it. After that, choose I don't have my phone. You can see an email with the verification code was just sent to this Gmail. This Gmail account, recovery Gmail account or recovery Google account. After, you can see enter code. So in this here, you can type or write verification code. So in this step, you can go to your recovery Gmail account or recovery Google account. After that, collect your verification code. After written a 6-digit verification code. After that, choose next. Click here. You can see welcome back. You can update your password now if you forget it. After, you can see two options, update password or continue. So first of all, I can choose and open update password. Create a strong password. Create a new strong password that you don't use for other websites. So in this, you can easily create your recover Gmail account or Google account or recover email account new password. After that, I can choose continue to your Google account. You can see your Google account was recovered successfully. Google account recovered successfully. So in this way, you can easily recover your Google account, recover your Gmail or email account without password, without phone number. So thank you very much, and please like and share this video and subscribe this channel Original itech.